Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to show write content container column or widget based on dates in Elementor WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to display or write content from dates, between two date, from date to to date. So we are in Elementor page. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write dynamic visibility for Elementor. So this is plugin dynamic visibility for Elementor we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation go to Elementor page and refresh the page, and then you see column or container. Now you see widget, so click on it. Now you see new option, so we are in adding, and then you see visibility, so new option. So you can display or write widget, column, container according to your requirement. Now you see container, edit container, so click on it. Now you see new option here, visibility. Again click on another container, edit container. Now you see layout style, advanced visibility, so click on visibility, and then you see visibility dynamic, enable this option, and then you see display mode, you see show, hide, so you can select according to requirement. If you want to display content on specific date, then enable show option. If you want to hide content on specific date, then select this option, hide. Now you see we select show, and then you see trigger date and time we selected. Now you see multiple option, so select date and time, and then you see date and time, expand it. Now you see date from, date to, now click on it. Now you see current date 12, now select 14. Now you see date to, now select 15. Now you see time also. So this content or column or container appear from this date to this date. So you can select dates according to requirement. So it's up to you. If you want to hide, now click on dynamic visibility, and then you see hide. So this content hide on these dates. So it's up to you. So we are going to display it. So click on update. Now update done, go to Elementor page and refresh the page. Now you see content is disappear because we select date 14. So that content display on 14. So you can hide or display content according to your requirement, according to dates. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.